color changes. Exposure to light and oxygen can cause color change in coconut water, making it less visually appealing. Use opaque UV-resistant packaging material to protect coconut water from light. Good day, my name is Dela Imibo and I'm your expert doctor. Thank you very much for stopping by, where we discuss everything international trade. In this video, I'll be talking about the exportation of coconut water. I know currently this is not a product being exported from Nigeria, obviously, because of the intricacies involved in preserving the water. We still need to increase the volume of coconut produced to be able to have enough coconut water. Coconut water, the naturally occurring juice found inside young coconut, has climbed the rank of trendy beverages in recent years. But there is more to this sweet and refreshing drink than just it particularly. What is it? Coconut water is a clear liquid inside young green coconut, not to confuse with coconut milk, made from the grated coconut flesh. It boasts a naturally sweet and slightly nutty taste, low in calorie and fat, rich in electrolyte like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. Health benefits include hydration, electrolyte balance, antioxidant powerhouse. It also helps in digestion. Now, microbial specification include the fact that total plate count should be below 100 CFU per mil. Coliform and E. coli should be absent. Yeast and mold should have a minimal presence, ideally below 10 CFU per mil. Chemical specification include Briggs decree, very minimal. That's typically from 3.5 to 5. Solid substance inside. pH between 5.2 and 5.8. Acidity between 0.1 and 0.4%. The color is clear and slightly cloudy white, and sediment minimal. Odor and taste fresh, slightly sweet coconut aroma. Now, how do you package this product? So first of all, what is the market potential? The import volume is actually about $3.3 billion. Coconut water demand in the world, $3.3 billion. Who are the major buyers? United States, $1 billion. That's about 30%. Followed by Netherlands, $274 million. Followed by Germany, $261 million. Followed by China, $212 million. Followed by Austria, $157 million. Followed by France, $152 million. Followed by Japan, $150 million. Followed by Canada, $97 million. Followed by UK, $97 million. Canada, 97.7, UK, 97.5. And Australia, $89 million. So US is 31.7%, Netherlands 8.3%, and Germany 7.9%. Coconut water is a popular and refreshing beverage that is extracted from green coconut, young coconut. Young coconut have a lot of water in it, young coconut. Proper packaging is essential to ensure quality, safety, and freshness of coconut water during export. Here are the key considerations. Food-grade packaging material to prevent contamination and maintain the purity of the coconut water. Common material include PET bottles, the regular bottled water, polyethylene Tetra Pak, sometimes glass bottle or Tetra Pak. Sealing is very important. Ensure airtight, secure sealing to prevent exposure to external elements and maintain the freshness of the coconut water. Packaging size. Offer coconut water in various packaging sizes as stipulated by the buyer. Shelf stability. Opt for packaging that ensures shelf stability and prevents spoilage and degradation over time. Protective packaging. Use packaging that provide protection against external factors like sunlight, external factors like heat. They can affect the quality of the coconut water. Now, it's a food item, you need NAFDAC. But also, it's the regular thing you will need if you are exporting from Nigeria naturally. Like pre-export documentation, NXP, NES, NEPC certificate, and pro forma invoice. Clearance document, SGD and CCI. Shipping document, bill of lading, invoice, and packing list. Remember the importance of third-party inspection necessary for every shipment you're doing. Third-party inspection. Before we close, what are the common quality issues? Number one for this product is contamination. Contamination. Contamination can occur during processing or packaging, leading to a deterioration of the coconut. Implement a strict hygiene and sanitation practices during processing. Use a food-grade packaging material. Ensure proper sterilization. Regularly inspect and clean the processing equipment. Regularly inspect and clean the processing equipment. Spoilage and fermentation. Improper processing or packaging can lead to spoilage and fermentation, resulting in off flavor and a decrease in product quality. Maintain mitigation. Employ proper pasteurization or heat treatment method to extend the shelf life. Color changes. Exposure to light and oxygen can cause color change in coconut water, making it less visually appealing. Use opaque UV-resistant packaging material to protect coconut water from light. Implement a nitrogen flushing process during packaging to reduce oxygen exposure. Off flavor and odor. Coconut water can develop off flavor and odor due to microbial growth. Implement stringent quality control during processing to detect and eliminate off flavor sources. Packaging leak. Packaging leak can lead to contamination and compromise product integrity. Employ high quality packaging material. Conduct rigorous quality checks during packaging process. Implement leak detection system and perform regular inspection. Perform regular inspection. Perform regular inspection. Temperature abuse. Exposure to high temperature during transportation or storage can accelerate spoilage and affect the sensory attributes of coconut water. Maintain a cold chain during transportation to prevent temperature fluctuation. Maintain a cold chain during transportation to prevent temperature fluctuation. Have you learned something new today in export of coconut water? If yes, give this video a thumbs up. If you have a friend that needs to hear about this, share with your friends. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you want to know about the next video, join our community, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. My name is Dela Yemiba, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.